Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to online class of subject maths. Today we are recalling the last topics of subtraction. Addition on a number grid, subtraction on a number grid. Is it addition or subtraction? So let's start. Addition on a number grid. Students, see here, this is the number grid. Now we have to add numbers on this number grid. Let's add number 8 and 20. We have to perform this addition on this number grid. So when we want to add two numbers on a grid, we start from one number and move forward as many spaces as the other number. Okay, as we have did on the number strip, now this is also the same. So let's start. We have 8 and 20. Then we start from number 8. We start from number 8 and move forward. Forward means to our right side. How many spaces we have to move? See here, we are putting mark on 8. So how many forward moves we have to take now? 20. How many forward moves we have to take? 20. See here. 1, 2. Only 2. Why? Because see here, this on the tens place we have 2. On the tens place we have 2. So from this number we can directly take 2 spaces, 2 backward spaces. If we count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we cannot count like this. If we got 50, we have to count 50 numbers. So we have to check the number which are on tens place and we have to take those many tens moves. Okay, next on the ones place we have 0, so we are stopping here itself. Suppose if we were having 2 or 1 on the ones place, then we should go like this. Okay, so this is the concept of number grid. And the next topic is subtraction on a number grid. Subtraction on a number grid. Already you know this is the number grid. When we want to use the number grid for subtraction, we start from the first number and move backward. In the subtraction we will go always backward side. Okay, as many spaces as the second number. So let's do one problem. Now see here I am taking 28 minus 6. We have to find the difference of 28 minus 6. Now we have to start from number 28 and move backwards or to our left side. Move backward 6 spaces. Where is the 28? See here we have 28 and 6 backward moves we have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where we are reaching? We are reaching at 22. So 28 minus 6 is equals to how much? 22. Suppose I have to subtract 10 from 72. How to do? See, it is very easy. We just move upward on a number grid by one space. Why? Because we have 1 on the tens place. Where is 72? 72. So as I told, we just move upward on the number grid by one space. Why? Because we have 1 on the tens place. So from 72 to we have to take only one upward space. Only one upward space. So what we got? We got 62. Okay now students. Similarly, if we want to subtract 80 and 40, we have to subtract 40 from 80. So how many upward space you have to take? 4, because on the ones on the tens place we have 4. Where is number 80? 80. So how many we have to take? 4 upward spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are reaching at 40. So this is the subtraction on a number grid. The next topic is it addition or subtraction? Is it addition or subtraction? Children, till now we have learned addition and also subtraction. But by reading a question, we have to identify now whether the problem is of addition or subtraction. Okay, sometimes it is not clear whether we have to do addition or subtraction. So if the question is in the form of how many are left, if the question is in the form of how many are left or how many more books or toys, it is a subtraction sum out of a total number of things. If the number of one kind is given and the number of the things or other kind is to be found, it is also a subtraction. Children, what will happen? Sometimes from the total number of things, if the number of one kind is given and the number of other kind is to be find out, so it is a subtraction. Okay. In addition, generally questions like what is the total number of, how many in all, how many altogether. So these type of questions are of addition. Okay. Thank you students. Be ready for the next class.